This message is coming from a non-profit organization that is called National Health. The message is about to help people about what they need in order to prevent the spread of HIV and how to work on behavior change on that topic. The prevalence of HIV among adults was 12.9%, which corresponds to approximately 1.23 million adults in Zimbabwe living with HIV in 2020. Generally, the survey found that HIV prevalence was higher among women than men, that is 15.3% versus 10.2%. With these statistics, there is a need for the prevention of the virus, especially among young adults. There is an interesting story of a certain person that I'm going to address with the nation. National HIV Testing Day is June 27th. This is a day that we create awareness around HIV and AIDS. What inspires me to promote HIV testing is that I was infected at the age of 16 in 1989, but I didn't know it. I did a routine test job corps in 1991 at the age of 18, and early detection most likely saved my life. It is very important for people in my community, as well as people all over USA and the world, to get tested and know their status. First, you can save your life by knowing your status and getting on treatment. It's not a death sentence anymore, and we can live long, productive lives with HIV and grow old. Secondly, treatment as prevention means that if you know your status, you are not only saving your life, but you are saving the other human beings' lives too. We know that if you are on HIV medication and become undetectable, which means that the virus is dormant, it's almost impossible to pass the virus to another person. Although I promote always using condoms to prevent others, I urge everyone to take an HIV test annually and to be proactive with your health. We also need to educate about sex in schools because our youth are at risk. In 2014, nearly 10,000 youth between the ages of 13 to 24 got HIV in the USA alone. I need to be able to say the word condom in schools. Peace and light. This story to those who have managed to listen to it. We hope you have learned something from it and you have got the important message that we want to share to all of you about the deadly virus. Learn more about HIV and AIDS and about how to prevent it. To find out more information on nationalhealth.org. Thank you all for listening to this message. Hope you find great inspiration